In today's video, we're going to be looking at how to change your date and time in macOS. Unlike in Windows, you cannot access your date and time settings by clicking the date and time in the top right, as this will bring up your notifications. So what you must do is click the Apple logo in the top left, go down to System Preferences and click on Date and Time. From here, you'd have to click a keypad to make changes, but you can change your date and time of your device if you did it incorrectly during your setup, or you can choose for it to be set by Apple's time servers to make it as accurate as it can be online, which I've done here. From here, you can also access your time zone so you can see where you're located. As you can see, it's currently British summertime where I am. However, if you're in different parts of the world, you can change that. You can also give it location access so it will know when you change time zone. Let's say if we went all the way over here, it would adapt it to our correct region's time zone. From here, you can also access your language and region settings, which we'll look at in more detail in a different video. Thanks for watching. Visit kazzicom.com for more information on IT support, cloud solutions, Office 365, and many more services.